Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Melissa, and she sent me this cute little card. It just says, I enclosed my swap with cards for my partners. I want to thank you for hosting this great swap. You inspire me every day, and I appreciate your crafting and talent. Enjoy this season, Melissa. I just wanted to say thank you for that. That's what this community is for inspiring and making new friends and reaching out. I love this little community so much. So I just wanted to share and say thank you, Melissa, for thanking me. I hope to inspire people. Like that is the goal, right? I get inspiration every day from everybody in this community. So many talented women and men. So yeah, I just want to say, thank you for anybody that participates, anybody that watches my videos. If I can help in any way, that is my goal. If you ever have any questions for me, please reach out and don't hesitate to. So I'm going to get into it. She's got a card for each one of her swap partners. It's probably similar to mine, some kind of Halloween card. In here, I believe this is shakers. It sounds like shakers. So she's got her shakers in this cute little polka dot bag. So she's got a little coffin and a bat. I keep seeing this bat shaker and I don't have it. Now I feel like I need it. I love the sound that seed beads make. It's such a great sound. So super cute shakers. Oh, they're gonna give me grief, so I'll put those back. And then she's got this little treat bag that's got, let's see. Okay, it will come open easily. So she's got one of these little ghosty notepads in there. I love those. Another little notebook. These are just so cute. I love them. And then a cool little pen, a little syringe pen. So cute. I'll package that back up. And then here is her embellishment box. Oh, it goes like this, upside down witch. We all have a little bit of magic in us. That's so cute. She's aligned it. Oh, I love the little broom. So cute. And then on the inside, we have all kinds of fun stuff. So let's zoom in a little bit. All right, so in here we have some wire wrapped beads. All kinds of really pretty beads. We have a couple. Ooh, look at that, is cute. I like that. A little pumpkin guy. I have a couple little charms. Oh, I like it. So she's turned this one into a dangle. She's just put a bail on the back of the witch hat and turned it into like a little dangle. So cute. These are like basically ready to go. You can add them onto a bag, an embellishment, a dangle that you're already working on. Perfect. Hopefully that will close. And then we have some rosettes in here. I don't know what paper collection she used, but they're really cute. We have a little tulle and crepe paper rosette. And this other little mini rosette. Love the colors. And then these containers are from the Dollar Tree. I've seen them before. They come with these, so there's 9 compartments and they all have these little round containers that you can fill, but obviously you can take the little containers out and then you have a little bit more space. I've bought a bunch of these. I really like them. I like the size. So let's see if I can pull that out without opening it. So we have a whole bunch of little beads and stuff in here. So she's used these flat backs, but she's put little bails on them to turn them into charms. And then we have these little flower beads and a couple little spiders. And then, oops, there we go. This one, she's got some stickers. Oh, these are really cute. Really cute stickers. And then she's got some charms underneath them. Let's pull out these charms. So we have a little witchy, pumpkin. I love these little brooms. I have a spider web. A little pumpkin girly. Oh, that one's really cool. like some of these skull ones. Some of them I haven't seen. I've seen these little ghosty ones, but this is like kind of like a swirled pink ghosty and a little skeleton hand. And in here we have some paper clips. We have some bat paper clips and some skull ones. And then she's got these little acrylic charms. Oh, they're double-sided. Great. Those are really pretty. I like those. And then in here, she's got little flowers. How cute are those? She's got little flowers. And then in this one, she's got a couple charms, and she's got some washi tape. Look how cute that washi tape is. So cute. This will go with like little boo thing so well. I really like that. And a couple little charms. And then in this one, she's got, it looks like some bottle cap, guys. You know, I've never made these, but I want to. They're really cute. I like that she's added little jemmies to them. And then are these some blank ones? Yep, some blank ones so that you can decorate them yourself. These are so cute. And they fit like perfectly in this little container. Like, perfect. I need to get some of these because those are adorable. I really like that. I like how they fit in there. And then we have a couple of little wood pieces. We have a witch, and then we have a couple little flatbacks. Skull. The skulls with the bows are so cute. So cute. Thank you, Melissa, again for joining another one of my swaps. I greatly appreciate you. And I love how all this fits together. Such a great swap. So I'm going to package this back up. Please make sure you give Melissa some crafty love. I will link all of her information down below, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.